Okay, so you really did give me an excuse to make Kool-Aid. I will be using a strawberry lemonade Kool-Aid packet as well as some natural sugar. The solute in this is the Kool-Aid as well as the sugar. The solvent is the water. Just pour a little bit of that into there. About an eighth of a cup of sugar in here. So already we can tell that it is a light pink. So with the eighth of a cup of sugar and the tiny bit of Kool-Aid that I poured into there, that does not taste good. Not gonna lie. But the molarity has increased because there's more of the solute in the container with the water. Let's try adding a bit more. I'm about to get a couple of scoops of sugar in here. Again, the solution has turned a darker color, closer to a pink than a red. Still a lot lighter because of the sugar itself. And that was really sour. So, the more I add the Kool-Aid, with the less amount of sugar, the more sour it tastes because of the lemon. So each time I add more of the Kool-Aid, it gets a more sour taste. Now it looks like that's the last bit of Kool-Aid in there. And I believe that's about as dark as that's going to get. Let's add some more sugar. Let's add 3 scoops this time. And see what that does to, oh shit. And see what that does to our flavor. Just stir that up a little bit. The sugar brings the color down just slightly. I can't tell if it's visible on the video or not. But once you taste it now, still a little sour. I just spilled Kool-Aid all over the place. Still a little sour. Not as bad. It's definitely sweeter. Let's add a little bit more sugar in here. At least I haven't dumped that all over the place yet. Why am I trying to use a little spoon? And again, the sugar brings the color down a little bit, so it's a bit lighter. How am I doing on time? Okay. So, let's see. It's tasting pretty good now. So the more sugar I add, the sweeter it gets, because before, if you had just the Kool-Aid in the water, it'd be a much more sour taste. Let's just add a little bit more sugar, because I know that my family likes it. Because I'm sure not going to drink this entire thing myself. And as I'm stirring it, you can see the sugar in the bottom starting to dissolve. The molarity has increased because there's a lot more of the solvent in this water. Am I saying that right? No, a lot more of the solute in this water than there was in the beginning. There's also slightly more volume in this than there was in the start. Not too bad. Not too bad. It's actually a lot sweeter now. I'm pretty sure I keep running into the light. There's just one more. Let's see, I cannot stir the entire thing with a tiny spoon. There is Kool-Aid everywhere. Whoops. So, now into question 6. I think I answered the other questions. Yeah, I did. Okay. I'm going to pour it into another container. Give me a quick second on that one. There we go. Now, I'm going to pour half of this into the other container and throw it. That's not half. That's probably about half. Yeah, that's about half. So let's see if this has changed the taste of it at all. Well, the one that I poured out of is a lot sweeter now because there's still sugar in the very bottom. So the one that I poured some of the solution out of is, at least, let's see, it's probably not as sweet. Nope, not as sweet. So, in summary, the more, probably can't see my face, the more solute that is added to the solvent, the color got a lot stronger. The taste increased because after adding more sugar to the Kool-Aid, it made it a lot sweeter. And the molarity increased because there is a lot more of the solute within the solvent. And in the end, I got some pretty tasty strawberry lemonade Kool-Aid. So yeah, thanks for that excuse. See you, Miss Leonard.